Hi guys, this is Faith with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch. I am going to do a few home decor for you. They're quick, they're easy, elegant, and inexpensive. So many of you know I love working with kids' toys. So you will need from the Dollar Tree one of these cones. They are the kids' toy cones. You find them in the kids section in the Dollar Tree. You will need from Walmart this stick, and it is 14 by 36. 14 by 36, and I want to say it's 54 cents or 59 cents for the sticks. You will need 2 of these. You'll need some form of bulb. This is a home decor that I purchased, and I've used it in another DIY before, and basically I just removed the bottom where there's a hole and was able to use it as a bulb. So I'm going to use that. You can use, like I've shared with you many times, the Christmas ornament that the Dollar Tree have, the clear Christmas ornaments. You will need some of the Dollar Tree, or if you have some other ones you can use, napkin rings. You will need some form of light. This is a Dollar Tree fairy light. We're going to use that. You'll need your scissors, your wire cutter, pen, glue gun, and glue sticks. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much. I know that you will love this DIY. It is a treat using kids' toys. Now, there is a bell. If you hit that bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. All right, guys, let's jump right in by removing our stickers and spray paint. I want to spray paint gold and white. So I'm gonna go ahead, go outside, do that, and I'll be back. Spray painted white, and the top I've got in gold. So what I want to do now is go ahead and carefully, I want to mention too that I did go ahead and use a razor or the knife to cut out a hole. You will need to have a hole in the top because you're going to string your lights through there. So you will definitely need to cut a hole through there. So let's go ahead and lay a generous amount of glue. I'm going to let this dry because it is important for it to be. So guys, as I'm looking at my stick, I'm thinking I will need a little bit more shine on that. So I want to add some glitter. So I'm going to grab my Mod Podge, a cup of water, and a brush, and I'm going to use a small brush to begin to paint. And I'm going to add this gold and silver and white mixture that I've had and see if I achieve the shine I'm looking for. After your first, all your other ones, all you have to do is roll it. And there we go. Okay guys, so I decided I wanted to add some gems to the top, just so the top can be covered and it doesn't look like cones. Didn't want it to look like cones. So I went ahead and put some gems on the top, and now I'm adding my sticks. So I did one and it seemed to be holding perfectly well. So now I lay my glue down. I'm going to take the bottom, lay it in the hole, add some glue to the top of my stick, raise up my cone and lay it down, just like that. So I really like that. So as I'm looking at it, I think I want to add gems on the bottom as I did up top. But I also want to disguise where I attached with some more gems as well. So I'm going to go ahead and incorporate some large gems. Actually, I should say medium. They're going to be those size. Medium-sized gems from the Walmart. And just incorporate them on the bottom as well, just as I did up top. Just like that. Okay guys, so I went ahead and fill in the sides. I think that turned out really well. Now I want to go ahead and take my napkin rings, add a generous amount of glue, then I'm going to insert it inside of my lamp. And so this is what it looks like with the hole in the bottom. So now I want to take my battery operated light. I'm going to turn this upside down and begin to feed it through the hole. Okay guys, so it is on and I think it looks fabulous. I hope you like the way that that looked. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and we are going to jump into our next. What you'll need for this one is one of the Dollar Tree containers. You will need a succulent from the Dollar Tree. You will need a piece of rope. You will also need your glue gun, glue sticks, and scissors. Then you're going to take your succulent and separate it from the stem. It comes right off. Just pull it right off. And then you're going to stick your succulent right in the center. And that's it. How adorable, how cute is that? For your bathroom, for any little area that you want this succulent to be. In your kitchen, I think that would be adorable. 2 popsicle sticks and some Walmart gems, or you can use the Dollar Tree gems. You'll need your glue sticks and your glue gun. Okay guys, so I went ahead and add the gems around the top. I did a second row on the bottom as well. And these are the Walmart large gems. And I just wanted to finish it up by showing you how I'm achieving this, which is very simple, self-explanatory, but I wanted to share it with you. Just lay your stones down and take it all the way around. And that's basically all of it. Make sure your lines are as straight as you can get it. And that's it. How 3D is that? Love, love, love. Okay, so now that I've got it where I want it, you're gonna need some form of light. I'm going with this battery operated, and I think it comes with, it has an adhesive as well. And let's see. Yes, it comes with 3 AA or AAA battery. Just lock it, and then you're going to place it wherever you want. Guys, if you like the way that these turned out, these 3 DIYs, go ahead, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your support, and your participation. Thanks again, and I will see you on my next DIY.